Your Ford Ranger pickup comes equipped with a few cargo management features that are both convenient and offer a little extra security when carrying items in the rear cargo bed. Let me explain. First, you'll find cargo tie-down hooks in the truck bed area, 3 on each side for a total of 6. These are helpful in preventing items, such as recreational gear and furniture, from sliding around. A cargo lamp integrated into the center high-mounted stop lamp illuminates the cargo bed, which helps make it easier to locate and load items in the dark. To turn it on and off from inside the cab, just press the box lighting button here. After a period of time, they'll turn off gradually. For additional convenience and bed protection, a bed utility package is available that includes a durable drop-in liner that makes it easier to slide items in and out of the bed, while also protecting the metal bed underneath. Plus, a 12-volt power port inside the bed gives you the ability to charge items like battery-operated tools and more. You can also outfit your Ranger's cargo bed to fit your active life with a rack system from Ford Accessories. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.